What types of non-LG Content Store apps can be installed on my LG Smart TV?
Hello everyone, and welcome to another informative video about getting the most from your LG Smart TV. In today's video, we're going to discuss what types of non-LG Content Store apps can be installed on your LG Smart TV. Let's dive in.
What are non-LG Content Store apps?
Non-LG Content Store apps are applications that aren't available on LG's dedicated App Store but can still be installed on your LG Smart TV. These apps may offer a broader range of content or specialized features not available in the LG Content Store. Please note that downloading these apps should always be done from reliable sources, as they may pose security risks.
How to install non-LG Content Store apps?
Your LG Smart TV runs on a platform called WebOS. Due to its design, you can't directly install APK Android apps, as is the case with Android TVs. However, there are still a few ways to get non-LG Content Store apps on your TV. 1. Via the Internet browser. You can use the built-in web browser on your LG Smart TV to access certain online services not available as standalone apps in the LG Content Store. 2. Using screen mirroring, casting. If you have an Android smartphone or tablet, you can mirror your screen or cast specific apps to your LG Smart TV. In this way, you can indirectly use apps that aren't available in the LG Content Store. 3. Through HDMI devices. Devices such as Roku sticks, Amazon Fire TV sticks, Google Chromecast, or even gaming consoles can be used to install and access a wider range of apps on your LG TV.
What types of non-LG Content Store apps can be installed?
There's a wide variety of non-LG Content Store apps that can be installed on your LG Smart TV indirectly. These include 1. Streaming apps. There might be some specific regional or niche streaming services that don't have apps in the LG Content Store. 2. Gaming apps. While LG's App Store does have a selection of games, using a gaming console or a device like an NVIDIA Shield can open up a much wider world of gaming apps. 3. Productivity apps. If you're using your TV as a secondary monitor or for work purposes, there might be productivity apps that you want to access but aren't available in the LG Content Store. Remember, the type of non-LG Content Store apps you can install largely depends on the method you're using to access them. And that's it. We've covered what non-LG Content Store apps are, how you can install them on your LG Smart TV, and what types you can install. While LG's Content Store offers a wide variety of apps, there's always more content out there to explore. As always, remember to use caution when downloading apps from outside the LG Content Store to protect your smart TV and personal information. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Enjoy exploring the expansive world of apps on your LG Smart TV.